4, on behalf of SpaceX, well, the world around them. Thank you for sharing your leadership, hope, generosity, and prosperity. And congratulations on your incredible journey.
Thanks so much, SpaceX. It was a heck of a ride.
Get the crew out of the capsule so you can see some boats headed towards the Dragon. And amazing.
And this is the Inspiration 4 crew, the first all-civilian mission.
Flashdown pictures, well-deserved.
Inspiration 4. Copy, 1 Alpha.
Vehicles pitching downrange. Gauge 1 propulsion is normal.
T plus 30 seconds. Fallouts indicate nominal. Historic mission flying the Inspiration 4 crew. Onboard Dragon and Falcon 9. Great view of the crew in the capsule. We're into the throttle on the second stage engine for ignition. We're passing through 3G's acceleration. Everything continues to look nominal.
Vehicle as it makes its way back down to Earth.
There's the crew on the right-hand side of your screen. I think I see some more thumbs up there.